Here's how to make your some letters in 3D looking letters using 1-point perspective. And here's why it's called 1 point, because where the point is, that's where your viewpoint is. So there's a horizon line, and point. Now let's go with the ABC, just to get us started on letters of prepping you for your name, for doing your name in block 3D letters. So I wrote those capital letters. Now I'm going to turn them into blocks, just with using rectangle. Here's a rectangle, there's a rectangle, and here's a rectangle. Right? Then I can just erase the lines on the inside. There we go. And I'm going to bring these down because it's easier. Just so they're flat, horizontal. There we go. There's my A. Here's my B. B and C. Look at that. C is block letter C is actually just two C's connected by diagonals. There you go. All right. So the way this works is you connect. You make the bottom and the sides of the letter look like they're going back in space by drawing lines that go from each corner to the vanishing point. So here's a corner, 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 and corner. And then also, I believe, this one probably will not. All right, so I'm going to just connect. I'm assuming that you don't have a ruler. You might. That would make this easier. But I'm going to do it without, just in case you don't have a ruler. You could turn your paper and then connect the dot to the vanishing point, back to the vanishing point. All these lines converge to the vanishing point. There we go. And I'm going to straighten this one out a little better. There you go. Now, parallel lines. Lines that do not cross. These are not parallel lines. These are parallel lines. They will never cross. So this line needs to be the angle of this line has to be the same as the angle in the back. So this is the front of the letter. This is the back. Front, back. Okay. Let's just make that a little more plain. The blue is the front. The red is the back. And then we do blue is the front. Okay. And now parallel lines. The front is parallel to the back. Just about. Would be easier if I had a ruler, but I'm not using one. And then parallel here, front to the back. There we go. And then we just erase these guidelines. And we forgot parallel. Okay. Now, I could kind of fudge it with this here and kind of pretend it ends in the back like that. But so then when you're shading it, let's just pretend that the light is straight on. So this is the lightest, and there's going to be a medium value and a darker value. So here's a darker value on the bottom. It's always darkest on the bottom, right? Unless the light is shining on the bottom. We're pretending it's shining straight on. And then under here, there we go. And then this medium, we'll do a medium light value, a lighter value right here. If we do them all dark, it'll just look flat. We'll lose our effect. It's even a little dicey right here. So I'll make this even darker under here. And then this, I'm kind of fudging it. You wouldn't actually, this would have to be like right here, the back of it, but whatever. There you go. There's your A. I mean, really, this should just come down here. Let's not confuse it. Okay, there's our A. And B, 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 and then corner, corner, which comes down to here and down there. I don't have to draw it. And there's our dark value. Dark value and dark value. And then I can put on this curve will be the same up front as it is in the back. And then we will make it a little lighter towards the right and darker towards the left. And erase. You see? And then connect the corner, connect to the side, and connect corner. And then this curve is the same as this curve. And erase. And I'll do one letter. Let's do letter F on the bottom side, under the horizon line. So corner, 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 and corner all go back to the horizon line, the vanishing point. Corner. There we go. And then the vertical line here and the horizontal line. So front of the letter, back of the letter. And I'm going to bring this down here. There. Good. So darkest value underneath and darkest value underneath. And same thing here. Same thing here. And I will go medium here. There you go. There's your F. And then maybe I should do for simple an O, which is super simple. You just match the curves, just have to match each other, erase that, and then it's just a matter of shading. You could do this like that, and just do a dark value in here. So it makes it look like it's see-through. You can go through it like a tube. There you go. A, B, C, F, and O. Oh, let's vanishing point. There you go. See if you can do that. And we'll make our name tomorrow.